Ever found yourself staring at your Koho balance, thinking, sweet, I could really use this cash right now, but then realized you're clueless about how to actually get that money into your hands? You're not alone. Today, we're diving deep into the world of Koho withdrawals. Let's sort this out together. Understanding Koho. Before we get into the nitty-gritty of withdrawals, let's quickly recap what Koho actually is. For those new to the game, Koho is a digital banking platform that offers a prepaid MasterCard. It's great for budgeting, saving, and even earning rewards. But, like any good thing, there comes a time when you need that cold, hard cash. Withdrawal options. Now, let's talk about your options. There are generally two primary ways to withdraw money from your Koho account. ATM withdrawals. This is probably the most straightforward method. You can use your Koho card at any ATM that accepts MasterCard. However, there's usually a fee involved. Make sure to check your Koho account details for the exact amount. Also, be mindful of withdrawal limits. You might not be able to withdraw a huge chunk of money in one go. Koho to Koho transfers. If you know someone else who uses Koho, you can transfer money to them directly. This is often fee-free, but it depends on Koho's terms and conditions. It's a great option if you need to split a bill or send money to a friend. Step-by-step guide. Let's break down the process of withdrawing money from your Koho account. ATM withdrawals. Locate an ATM that accepts MasterCard. Insert your Koho card. Enter your PIN. Select withdrawal. Enter the amount you want to withdraw. Confirm the withdrawal. Grab your cash and receipt. Koho to Koho transfers. Log into your Koho app. Navigate to the transfer or send money section. Enter the recipient's Koho card details. Specify the amount you want to transfer. Confirm the transfer. Tips and tricks. Here are a few tips to maximize your Koho withdrawal experience. Check fees. Be aware of any ATM or transfer fees to avoid surprises. Set withdrawal limits. Consider setting withdrawal limits on your Koho account for added security. Use in-app notifications. Enable notifications to stay updated on your transaction history. Keep your card safe. Protect your Koho card information like you would any other debit card. Troubleshooting common issues. What if you're facing issues? Here are some common problems and potential solutions. ATM errors. Try a different ATM or contact Koho customer support. Insufficient funds. Make sure you have enough money in your Koho account. Transfer issues. Double-check the recipient's details and contact Koho if needed. Withdrawing money from your Koho account doesn't have to be a mystery. By understanding your options, following the steps, and being aware of potential issues, you can easily access your cash whenever you need it. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.